Am I the only one that didn't know Steve Jobs? He was a college dropout who rewired 5 industries. Stick around. This timeline will fix that. Born in 1955 and adopted into a California home, Jobs grew up tinkering, testing ideas. Fast forward to 1976, he and Steve Wozniak started Apple in a garage. They wanted computers to be personal, not just for scientists. 1984 brought the Mac and the computer for the rest of us. It looked different, felt different. Jobs sold that feeling. But success wasn't a straight climb. In 1985, he was forced out of Apple. Ouch. Rather than disappear, he launched Next and bought a tiny animation studio called Pixar. Pixar would go on to change animation forever. Toy Story in 1995 proved story plus tech equals magic. Apple rehired Jobs in 1997 when the company was bleeding cash. His return was brutal and brilliant. Simplified product lines, ruthless choices, a focus on design. The iMac in 1998 made computers cool again. Then came the iPod in 2001, music in your pocket, and the iPhone in 2007, which smashed phones, cameras, and computers into one device. The App Store created whole new businesses overnight. The iPad in 2010 nudged another category into the mainstream. Jobs' style, obsessive about detail, impatient with mediocrity, convinced that technology should feel human, not flawless. He could be harsh, but his taste shaped products millions love. He died in 2011, but his fingerprints are everywhere. Design-led tech, sleek retail storytelling as brand strategy. Takeaway big ideas need relentless focus, ruthless editing, and the courage to bet on the future. Want a deeper dive into any moment? Garage, Pixar, iPhone. Say the word.